Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make a Wix site private. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first you will have to log in into your Wix account and click on my site, and from here you have to select that site you want to make private. And after opening the site, you directly jump into site dashboard, and now you have to click on settings and click on website settings. And here you will find this unpublish option. To making your site private, you have to make your site unpublished. So click on unpublish, and once you unpublish, your site won't be visible to visitors. So click on unpublish. And this is how we can make our Wix website private. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.